Tonight, we're learning new developments in the Baltimore Bridge collapse. The NTSB saying tonight it has recovered the data recorder from the ship that crashed into the Francis Scott Key Bridge Tuesday morning, causing it to collapse. The U.S. Coast Guard reports the cargo ship had undergone routine engine maintenance in port. It lost power and struck the bridge. 2 bodies have been recovered in the collapse and 4 men remain missing tonight. Vessel traffic in and out of that port, the Port of Baltimore, has been suspended. Federal officials warn it may take significant time to rebuild the bridge, and the U.S. supply chain will suffer as a result. Here in Minnesota, MnDOT officials say bridges have safety measures to both prevent a direct hit from vessels and mitigate risks in the event of a collision.
And obviously it's top of mind now after what happened in Maryland. Fox 9's Rose Schmidt joining us now to show us how this incident comes into play as these engineers redesign our state's second longest bridge, the Blatnik Bridge, which, Rose, connects Duluth and Superior, Wisconsin.
It does, Amy and Randy. A civil engineering expert tells me it's unlikely any steel bridge could have survived an impact like what happened in Baltimore. But there are ways to protect bridges, and he believes this will be something that's more closely examined now.
After a container ship struck a Baltimore bridge Tuesday morning, it's reigniting conversations here in Minnesota about bridge safety.
You know, the lesson that we're going to learn from this is definitely what we need to be doing in terms of peer protection and being able to stop modern shipping vessels.
Brock Hedegaard from University of Minnesota Duluth Civil Engineering Department says designing a bridge structure to protect against hits from vessels would be both difficult and costly. Instead, there can be barriers in the water that intercept a ship, sometimes called dolphins.
Those are dolphins or pilings that are basically blocking that pier. So ideally you would hit that before you'd actually hit the bridge.
Using Google Maps, he showed us the structures protecting the Blatnik Bridge, an aging bridge that's linked Duluth and Superior, Wisconsin for more than 60 years. This year, the federal government invested $1 billion to replace it. And as MnDOT officials lead the redesign project, they say mitigating against vessel collisions will be a core component of the design work.
I think it's mainly in thinking and planning out the barrier system or that protection system well in advance, really to make sure what kind of impact can that take.
In the last 2 decades, MnDOT officials are only aware of 2 vessel collisions to Minnesota bridges. First, in 2009, the Lexington Bridge along 35 East over the Mississippi River had minor damage from a barge impact. Then 9 years later, the Winona Bridge was also struck by a barge.
And MnDOT officials also say they have comprehensive emergency plans in place should a bridge sustain a hit and require rescue operations. Back to you, Amy.
All right, Rose, thank you.